Harsh self-talk isn't motivating. It's secretly ruining your progress. Have you ever thought that beating yourself up might be pushing you forward? It feels like you're getting that urgent kick, an adrenaline spike that makes you hustle. But here's the trap. That surge is your brain's threat alarm, thanks to the amygdala, the part that flips the panic switch. What this actually means is, while you get a quick push, your brain's cognitive control drops off a cliff. Imagine an impulsive monkey grabbing the steering wheel, making your inner pilot react fast. Sure, you take off briefly, but then the monkey shakes the cockpit, and those dashboard threat alarms go wild. This creates a boom-bust loop. You might start off strong, only to burn out or avoid finishing the task. The good news is, there are ways to flip this process on its head, but here's the part no one talks about. So, here's where it gets really interesting. When you're harsh on yourself, it's like hitting the threat alarm in your brain. Imagine it. Your amygdala fires up, cortisol starts flooding in, and suddenly the rational pilot, your prefrontal cortex, loses control. Picture wires yanked and alarms blaring. This isn't just stressful, it's literally shutting down your ability to think clearly, but there's more. When you use self-criticism as motivation, your brain starts treating tasks like punishments, and guess what? That golden liquid, dopamine, starts to vanish. Without this, your motivation tanks, you feel stuck, and the plot thickens. Your brain's habit circuits don't just idly stand by, they actually pave a path for avoiding these punishing tasks, reinforcing this cycle. It's like building a bridge to nowhere, only to find you've sawed off your own way across. But here's the part no one talks about. How can we break this cycle and turn self-criticism into something constructive? Now let's pivot from why your brain sabotages you to how you can outsmart it. The good news is you can replace harsh criticism with specific, productive feedback. Here's how. Instead of vague attacks like, "I'm lazy," try something precise. "I missed step X. Tomorrow I'll dedicate 10 minutes at 9 a.m. It's like swapping mud for a clear path. And pay attention to this part. Tiny behavioral experiments like committing to a 5-minute start can rebuild dopamine. Your brain trails get carved clearer with each repetition. Micro rewards, on the other hand, act like small sparks. They light up your brain's progress circuits without triggering a threat. Set up little wins. Give yourself a pat on the back for tiny achievements. It's these implementations that gently shift your identity from panic to planner. Imagine being the pilot, calm and collected, but here's the part no one talks about. Here's where it gets interesting. You can start transforming that self-criticism with 3 practical scripts. First, the compassionate reframe. Turn "I'm such a mess" into "I'm learning and growing with each step." Next, corrective feedback. Instead of "I always fail," try "I can adjust my approach tomorrow." And the powerhouse if-then intention. If I feel stuck, then I'll spend just 5 minutes on the task. Now imagine a 7-day micro-habit challenge where you'll dedicate just 5 minutes each day to these scripts, rewarding yourself with a small treat after each success. Track your progress by minutes or steps, not with labels of good or bad. Each day is a reinforcement board being carefully stapled in place, strengthening your bridge to better habits.